We are here in Marrakech, Morocco, and we're gonna be having some delicious Moroccan food. We're gonna start with local Moroccan breakfast here in our Riad. It's time for the breakfast.
Come on, Gogo, come on. Morning. How are you? Good?
I'm fine.
So this is our beautiful Riad where we're staying. And as I explained to you, this Riad has 3 rooms. So you really feel like you're living with a Moroccan family, but obviously you have all of your own independence. And this is our wonderful host, Mohammed.
Hi.
Pleased to meet you. And just look at this. This is the beautiful Riad here. So this is like a typical traditional room with all the traditional carvings and beautiful, beautiful furniture. Just look at this floor. I want this floor in my house in England. It's so beautiful, these tiled floors.
Transport costs more than the floor, so we're not getting this floor in our house.
Gogo has a heart attack.
When you come to Morocco, Riad, you get a feast. We got fried egg. We got, it's like tahini, but it's almond.
It's like almond, peanut butter, but almond butter.
But you dip your bread in like jam or honey. Well, we got honey and we got jam. And can you explain what are these for us?
So these are like a Moroccan pastry and they're quite traditional to have for breakfast. Some of them have got honey, nuts, sugar on, and they're really, really delicious. They're so light, they just melt in your mouth. Perfect for me.
And the reason I always want to come back to Morocco over and over is this delicious bread.
Moroccan bread.
Moroccan bread, look at that.
Mismin.
Yeah, mismin.
Mismin, which is wonderful.
Traditional Moroccan bread. And this is heaven. This is Moroccan tea.
Wonderful.
This is how you're supposed to pour it. So you get the foam. It's good. It is loaded. I'm gonna burn myself again with mint. Oh, as soon as you open the hatch.
Let me smell it.
Yeah, I was burning myself.
The smell is unbelievable of that fresh mint.
That smell just hits you.
And usually it's served in one of these beautiful teapots.
I am a tea person for the mornings, but tea with mint here in Morocco is next level. It's a bit sticky outside. Only one way to find out. It's not overly sweet. It's just bread and just some sugar on top. That's it. But it's so delicious. But I think it's gonna be better if it dips in one of these.
Which one are you going for?
That one.
Jam.
Jam. I am a huge fan of strawberry jam anyway. This with strawberry jam is so nice. This is seriously the reason I love coming to Morocco, the proper Moroccan bread. But this time, it's gonna go with this.
This almond butter.
As you know what I mean, like, it's like tahini or honey or jam. It's not really thick.
But it's made with almonds.
Taste. Can we get some to take home? Missaman.
Gogo is better with the words than me.
Missaman.
So the mesmin is cooked and it's served warm.
It's actually warm at the moment, and it's like layers
Of flaky bread.
flaky bread. You can open it up and make a wrap as well with it. Did I say wrap? Want me to find out? This, my friends, is heaven. Fresh, warm mesmen Lovely fried egg.
So altogether, this is just a perfect way to start your day in a riad, staying in one of the cities or towns or villages around Morocco. We highly recommend have that warmth, have that true cultural experience by staying in one of these beautiful riads. Last year when we came to Morocco, a local we met on the bus, our good friend now Riad, introduced us to Marrakesh's most famous sandwich. This is where all of the sandwiches are made, and last year we got it from here. Yeah, they all look so good.
Now look at that. I don't know, there are so many options. Sausage, meat, turkey, liver, beef, vegetarian,
Mixed todo.
What do you want to go for?
I don't want. Shall we go with mixed with no liver?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No liver.
No liver. Mix, no liver.
Okay, liver finish.
Liver finish.
Ah, that's good.
I got liver here. But make it spicy.
Spicy. Spicy.
But proper spicy. Not
Spicy.
kidding on spicy.
Yeah.
Real spicy.
Spicy.
No spicy, no pain. What's your name, boss?
Rashid.
Hashid.
Rashid. It's Omar.
Hashid. Omar. Muhammad.
It's Abdul.
Abdul. Muhammad.
It's Mubarak.
Mubarak. Why Mubarak? Why Mubarak? And me, my name is Da.
Yeah. Shukan.
Gökhan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my name.
Yeah.
So Hashid says if it's not spicy, then I don't have to pay.
Okay.
No spices.
Yes, spicy.
Spicy is good.
Spicy,
Yeah.
spicy. Yes,
If you make it no spicy, I don't pay. It has to be spicy.
Yeah.
We got the deal.
Wala spicy
Spicy.
Morocco. Harissa.
That's great.
No.
Yes, good. Spicy.
That's not spicy. That's just kids fruit juice. Good. Here in Morocco, they make the sandwich on a hot griddle plate.
Yeah.
Hot griddle plate. They mix the vegetables, onions, tomato, meat, all cooked together with cheese on top as well, and that goes in delicious Moroccan bread. The gentleman Hashid, Ömer, Mubarak, and Abdullah,
His name is Babashi.
Abdul Fattah,
Abdul Fattah.
and Abdullah,
Abdullah in one face.
the legend Abdullah. How old are you? 7, 8,
9.
9.
Yeah.
So they cook everything and make it small pieces as well with their plate, and
Brother. No.
that's no good. After you have it.
Yeah. Gogo doesn't like harissa, but I love it.
Come on,
Shukran,
Welcome.
shukran.
Thank you.
Just one. One sauce.
Just one, yeah, just one. And this is what I'm talking about. This is fully loaded sandwich. All the meat and vegetable. Of course, we didn't get the liver because my good lady doesn't like liver. I have to sacrifice because I love her. Anyway, let's make the sandwich. Meatballs, turkey, chicken, vegetables, cheese. Proper fully loaded. Look at this. What else you want from your sandwich? What else? The oil actually soaks in the bread. That bread is gonna be like really delicious. I mean, for me, if you just dip that bread on top of it, that will be it.
You absolutely could not come here and not have this sandwich, and I know we had it last year, but it was so good we had to return. Now last year I got one without meat, but this year I'm going for it. The spices, the taste, the meaty taste, the cheesy taste, the onions, the bread is so light, and the stuffing with them tomatoes, it's just so sweet and so juicy. It's It's amazing. This is delicious. Gogo, you best get your own.
Wow, look at this. I'm gonna have to try it. I'm gonna have to enjoy it. I'm gonna have to live it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Even better than last year.
Wow. Wow. The onion, crunchy. Cooked but crunchy. The tomatoes are tangy. The meat is delicious. That spicy beef sausage is wow, wow, wow. Next level. Morocco. Look at this. The world, look at this. This is absolutely incredibly tasty. This beauty only costs 15 dirham.
Wow.
15 dirham.
Amazing value.
So tasty.
And just as quick that they serve them, they're cooking more and more and more. So look, it's a constant cooking. They're constantly cooking all day, these sandwiches. They're making so many.
He works so hard.
Yeah, he does. Really hard. Really hard. So he's making the portions of meat, weighing all the portions of meat out for each one. So you know you're getting the correct portion. Really good. Thank you. Merci. Shukran. Shukran. Shukran Abdul. Abdul's working
Abdul is the
hard.
legend.
Abdul is the legend.
And you get 150 gram meat on this sandwich as
Wow,
well.
amazing. Really good.
It's just beautiful walk along these walls. Between these walls is actually beautiful. Today is Friday. Most stores are closing down for the Friday praying, Juma praying. There is always someone selling food, but the bags and the clothes and the shoes are absolutely lovely. All smells leather. Still not found it, but we're not gonna give up. We are definitely gonna find this famous samosa of Morocco. That looks like samosa to me. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Cheese,
Samosa, and it does. It looks exactly like samosa.
vegetables, chicken
Or meat.
or meat.
Which one do you want to go for?
Shall we go for cheese?
Yeah.
It's
that
guaranteed we
sounds good.
both like.
Yeah. Are we getting one or two?
Yeah, one.
One?
Or you want? Can you handle one?
Yeah.
One cheese samosa, please, and let us decide. Is it better than Indian samosa or is it better than Sri Lankan samosa?
Shukran.
Thank you. Now we got the samosa.
Mm. Wow. The pastry is so light. It's deep fried with warm cheese inside, and the cheese is really creamy, really strong and nice and rich. That is unbelievable. There's a little bit of oregano in there as well. It's so good.
I really want to see how much Kay can eat.
There's actually so much cheese in there and so much filling. I'm so sorry. India and Sri Lanka, I think I found my favourite samosa. It's just absolutely delicious, but I don't know if there's noodles in there. Is that noodles, everyone? If you're from Morocco, let me know. But I kind of feel like there's noodles in there. So good. Deep fried foods are so good.
For those who's calling me Mr. Bean, I introduce you all Mrs. Beans. I'm not alone.
I've got it all over, but it's so good and so flaky. I'm blaming the pastry, but we need to give Gogo a try.
We need to give Gogo a try. There's nothing left in here.
Are you disappointed?
I'm happy that you ate something. Well,
You might need to get your own.
Habibi, samosa in Morocco, next level. Better.
Really,
So
really
far,
good.
the best in the world.
So good.
Wow.
Do you think that had noodles in?
Yeah, they had definitely noodles in, and that cheese.
The
I had
cheese.
just a little bit cheese in mine, left over. It was so good. Wow.
If that's what the cheese ones are like, I imagine the other flavours are delicious. And that only costs a grand total of 15 dirham. And this is the little stall here. And the boy's name is Mohammed. Mohammed? Yes, he's called Mohammed. So come along and support Mohammed and try Moroccan samosa. What are we stopping for?
Cakes.
My favourite stop.
Yeah, that's your stuff.
All this homemade bakery cake.
Which one are you gonna go for?
Can I have that one?
Yeah?
I like the look of this one because it's got all of the base on. Ah, shukran.
That's one?
Thank you. That's good.
How
Thank
much?
you. 2 dirham.
2 dirham.
2 dirham for a whole cake? That is incredible. Wow. Look at the size of that. It's huge. And it's kind of like layers and layers of pastry. I don't know what it's stuffed with. Let's give it a go. It's like apple inside there. It is delicious. Flaky pastry with apple and icing on the top. I'm not going to do the same thing as the samosas. I'm not going to be greedy and eat it all. I'm going to share it with Gogo. Go for it, Gogo.
The pastry is so delicious, and the apple inside it. Wow.
You can leave me the ice and sugar. So today we've showed you just how affordable it is this morning to eat here in Marrakesh.
I enjoyed today. I hope you did as well. It's bye from Marrakesh.
Bye from Kay.
Bye from Gogo.
Ta-ta for now.